we will discuss about another important concept, that is hybridization. Hybridization. Why this hybridization concept came out, even though there is a overlapping. Overlapping means there are different types of overlappings. What is that? SS overlapping, SP overlapping and PP overlapping, they are forming molecules. Then what is the necessity of undergoing hybridization among the orbitals? What is necessary? By using VBT, what is going on? Overlapping is going to occurs in between. Whenever overlapping takes place, for example, CH4 we studied. CH4 means carbon is there. What is the formula? What is the electronic configuration? 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. This is a valence shell. In a valency shell, valence electrons are 4. Hydrogen we know 1s1. How many electrons? 1 electron is there. These are s orbital and p orbital. Here it is only s orbital. Generally, by overlapping, what happened here? There is a s and p electrons, here s electron. By VBT, overlapping concept taking place means carbon is there here. Carbon is there here. Hydrogens are coming. How they are coming? With their s orbital, spherical shape. Here carbon with s and carbon with s. How many electrons? Here 2s2, 2p2, 2s2, 2p2. 2p2 means here. Like this. Here unpaired electron it is jumping here, so that 4 unpaired electrons are there. S, px, py, pz. So what happened? Here one p orbital can overlap with this one. Here other p orbital can overlap with this one. Other p orbital can overlap with this one. Other s orbital can overlap with this one. It is according to VBT. If it is formed according to VBT, the bond angle here, p orbital, s orbital overlapping, the bond angle will be here 90. Here also, here. How it is coming? C. H like this, overlapping, H like this, H like this, H like this. By VBT, covalent bond is forming. In CH4 molecules, covalent bond is forming by carbon orbitals and hydrogen orbital. Carbon orbitals are s and p orbital. Ps, 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 S. Like that, overlapping is forming means after that bonds are forming. At the time, the bond angle expected according to VBT will be 90 degrees. But originally we are going to observe means already we know the methane structure. What is the bond angle in methane? According to our knowledge, this is what observed. Here the bond angle will be 109.28 minutes. According to VBT, it is coming 90, which is not correct. But observed bond angle is 109.28 minutes. So that why it is coming? So other than VBT, some other concept is existing. That one will be hybridization. That is why hybridization concept came out here. So now we are going to discuss about this hybridization. VBT failed to explain the structures of the molecules. That is why hybridization came out. What is this hybridization? Orbitals, pure orbitals are there. Pure orbitals are there with, how they are there? With almost same energy. Pure orbitals. What is the pure orbitals? S, P, D, like that. This pure orbital, there will be intermixing. They are undergoing intermixing. They are mixing with each other. They are forming some new orbitals called as hybrid orbitals. These hybrid orbitals are effectively, these are combinedly forming. Whatever the hybrid orbitals are formed, these are more stronger. this here the overlapping will be more stronger than normal overlapping, orbital overlapping. After hybridization, this orbital are found. For example, here what is there? Here, once the hybrid orbitals are formed, what is the point here? All hybrid orbitals are having what energy? Equivalent energy. Exactly equivalent energy, and what is the other point? Identical shape. They are having identical shape. This is the point. So equivalent energy they are containing and identical shape they are containing. So how it is the other point will be here? Other point will be here. For example, here 1s and 1p orbital participate in intermixing. Participate in hybridization means 1 plus 1 2 s and p 2 sp hybrid. Sp hybrid orbitals are formed. These are pure orbitals. These are hybrid orbitals. For example, S orbital shape is spherical. P orbital shape is dumbbell. So after this shape is going to be different. It will be like this. So pure orbital shape is different from the hybrid orbital shape. And here, for example, 1s and 2p orbitals are participating in the hybridations at the time 1 plus 2 3 sp2 here sp2 like that. Then what is that? sp2 other same 1s 3p forming means what is that? 1 plus 3 4 sp3 here 1s and 3p plus 1d are participate in hybridization means here how many? 1 plus 3 4 plus 1 5 sp3d. Here 1s 3p 2d orbitals are participating in the hybridization means 1 plus 3 4 plus 2 1 plus 2 1 plus 3 4 plus 2 6 sp3 d2 sp3 d2 hybrid orbital forming. Here you see here what is 1s and 1p means 2 sp orbitals. It is 1 sp orbital. Other sp orbital will be like this. So based on that, based on the hybridized orbitals, there will be a generation of shape. There will be generation of shape. Otherwise, geometry. Who will decide? Before once forming hybrid orbitals, then only the other atom will come and there is a overlapping with the hybrid orbitals. Before overlapping itself, geometry will be decided by the hybridized orbital. Based on this shape, what I can say? This is a linear. This is a linear shape. Other here, 3 sp2. Here, how many sp2 orbitals are there? 3. What is the shape they are forming in this manner? Here one like this, here one like this, here one. So there will be like this. Based on this, what you can say for our understanding? It is a one bond like that. It is a one bond like that. It is a one bond like that. This and all we are going to study as a what is that? Trigonal planar, otherwise simply called as a planar. Here also for sp3. This 4 sp3, how it will be sp3? It is the here one hybrid orbital and this is other hybrid orbital. This is other hybrid orbital. This is other hybrid orbital. Here combinedly what you are calling and this and all. This point. Combinedly called as tetrahedral. We are calling tetrahedral like this. And in a similar way, what we can say is, if sp3d after tetrahedral sp3d means how it is going to happen? How many are there? 5 sp3d hybridization occurs means automatically 5 hybrid orbitals will be there. sp3 hybridization occurs means automatically 4 hybrid orbitals will be there. Now I will take this sp3d. How many? 5 sp3d hybrid orbitals are there. That how they are going to occur? It is one hybrid orbital and it is one hybrid orbital and it is one hybrid orbital. These are all in the one plane and above one hybrid orbitals and below one hybrid orbitals. This and all the points. This is the center one. All the things we are going to mix means, all the things we are going to connect means we will get a geometry. What is the geometry here? This is one point. This is one bond. These are all the bonds. So These are all in the one plane. These are all in the one plane. And here above plane and this is the below plane. This is called as what? Trigonal bipyramid. Trigonal biplanar. Trigonal biplanar. Trigonal. This is a trigonal biplanar. Here two are there, above one and below one. TBB. And here sp3 due to sp3 how many? 6 are there. How that 6 are going to generate? 6 means 4 are in one plane. It is like this one, and here it is like this one, and here it is one, and here it is one. All the 4 are in a one plane, and above one and below one. These are all. It's like this. It is a square planar, above one and below one. This is called as octahedral. Otherwise bipyramidal square plan. Bipyramidal. It is one. Above one pyramid, below one pyramid. Two pyramids, bipyramids. It is a square planar. Bipyramidal square planar. Bipyramidal square planar here. And these are all the fixed one. sp hybridization absolutely two sp hybridized orbitals with two solid bonds are there, which it will be sp. If 3sp2 hybrid orbitals with 3 solid bonds, it is one bond pair is there, means exactly this has to come. In case anyone one s orbital, 1 s orbital, 2 p orbitals are participated. For hybridization, orbitals may contain electrons, may not contain electrons. That may contain electrons or may not contain electrons. Orbitals only participated in the hybridization. Orbitals only will decide. That may be filled orbital, that may be empty orbitals. That is not necessary here. Okay. In case electrons are there, means they are forming a bond like this. If empty orbital means that will be like empty. Nothing is there like that. So that this is what hybridization we are going to study. Here I will explain this sp, sp2, sp3 hybridization, how it is forming by taking some examples here. See, first of all what I will take is one compound, methane only I will take. Observe carefully, methane central atom is carbon, electron configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p2, valency will be like this. In a valency shell, what is the configuration? 2s2, 2 are there. p2 means how many are there? 1 and 2 are there. So here 2 unpaired electrons are there. What it is, in CH4 an hybridization is there. In excited state, this is a ground state configuration. In an excited state, some amount of energy they are taking. So this electron is going to jump into the other vacant p orbital. Here it is like this. Here 1, 2, this electron coming here like this. Here 1s and how many? 3p orbitals are there. Here everybody is participating. According to our concept, 1s and 3p orbitals. How many has to form? 4. 4 what is that? 4 sp3 what is that? Hybridized orbitals. What are they? What shape they are going to form? sp3 means immediately what has to come into the mind? Tetrahedral. So that the tetrahedral shape I will write here. It is one lobe. Okay, lobe only I will write. First of all, lobes. One lobe, second lobe, third lobe and fourth lobe. It is tetrahedral. This is only about carbon. Till now I am discussed only about carbon. In this 4 sp3 hybrid orbitals, 1s to 3p mixing, how many forming? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many electrons are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 are there. In this case, all the hybrid orbitals are containing one electron, one unpaired electron. Here sp3, 4 sp3 lobes are forming. Everybody having one electron. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 is there. Now it is ready to overlap. Now it is ready to make a bonding. My molecule is CH4. How many hydrogens are there? 4 hydrogens. What is the electronic configuration? Hydrogen to 1s1. Each hydrogen containing 1 electron. Where it is? In this s orbital. S a spherical one. In that s orbital, it is containing 1 electron. Now my molecule is CH4 already formed. How it is forming? Carbon is ready to make a bonding with the hydrogens now. That first hydrogen can come with 1 electron, second hydrogen coming with the other electron, third hydrogen is coming with the other electron, and the fourth hydrogen also coming with the other electron. Now carbon making a bond. It is a bond. It is a bond. It is a bond. It is a bond. Why I am writing a bond? Here 2 electrons are there, so bond. Here 2 electrons are there, so bond. Here 2 bond. Here 2 bond. That is why we are writing carbon at the center. This one CH bond, this one CH bond, this one CH bond, this one CH bond is a tetrahedral shape. The bond angle is 109, 28 minutes we are saying. Adhe, I am taking another molecule. What is other molecule now? What is other molecule now? I will take something like C2 H4. C2H4. C2H4. Here, how many carbons are there? 2 carbons. This one I am writing here CH3, CH3. CH3, CH3. Here hybridization you see. What are undergoing for the formation? This carbon has to make a bond. I got understanding? Hydrogen, hydrogen, hydrogen. This bond, hydrogen, hydrogen, hydrogen. First of all, this carbon undergoing as it is carbon, ground state like this. Here, like this, 2 electrons are there. Trivibration, what is doing? This electron is going to jump here. How many are there? 4 unpaired electrons. S orbital, these are 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 p orbitals are there. In this case, in this molecule, it is undergoing here 1s, all these 3 p orbitals are participated. So that 4 came for sp3. In this case, 1s and 2 p orbitals only participating. This is not going to participate in the hybridization. That is the nature of the molecule. Here, what is happening? 1s and 2p. What is coming? 3 sp2. 3 sp2. I am talking about 1 carbon. The same thing will happen for other carbon also. Here, 1 carbon I am taking here. What is it? 3 sp2. sp2 means sp2 shape will be like this. See. 3 lobes, no, 3 lobes. First lobe, and second lobe, and third lobe. It is for 1 carbon. Otherwise, this side carbon also same as it is shape will be there. So for my convenience, what I am doing is a carbon, 1 lobe, I am writing here, other lobe. Similarly, the same thing for other carbon. So in a ethene molecule, already there is a overlapping. This one will be sp2 hybridized orbital. sp2. It is also sp2. It is also sp2. It is also sp2. They are here separately. Is there? Consider this separate and this is separate. Here how many electrons are there? 1, 2, 3. These 3 combinedly forming 3 sp2. 3 unpaired electrons are there. So I don't have any problem. Here 1 unpaired electron, here 1 unpaired electron, here 1 unpaired electron. And that side carbon, that is also same carbon only. Here 1 unpaired electron, here also 1 unpaired electron, here also 1 unpaired electron. First of all, what happened is these 2 carbons, this sp2 hybridized orbital with 1 electron, other carbon sp2 hybrid orbital with 1 electron, they are going to overlap. Here how many electrons are there? 2 electrons. So here CC bond. This carbon, CC bond formed. Here, this carbon having remaining 2 sp2, this carbon also having remaining 2 sp2. Who is waiting outside for the bond? Who is waiting outside for the bond? 4 hydrogens are there. 4 hydrogens. Already, hydrogen means with 1 electron only it is coming. Hydrogen means with 1 electron only it is coming. So that hydrogen is coming here. That hydrogen is coming with 1 electron. Second hydrogen is coming with 1 electron. Other hydrogen is coming with 1 electron. Other hydrogen is coming with 1 electron. How many? 4 hydrogens are coming. Here there is a bond. Which bond? CH bond. Here there is a bond. Which bond? CH bond. Here there is a bond. Which bond? CH bond. Here there is a bond. CH bond. Okay, that is all fine. All these bonds are sigma bonds. All these bonds are sigma bond, sigma bond, sigma bond. This sigma bond is formed by how? sp2 hybridized carbon and this sp2 hybridized carbon. This sigma bond formed how? S orbital of hydrogen, sp2 orbital of carbon. How this sigma bond forming? S orbital of hydrogen, sp2 hybrid orbital of carbon. How this sigma bond? Same. sp2 hybrid orbital of carbon, s orbital of hydrogen. Here also sp2 hybridized orbital of carbon, s orbital of hydrogen. Like that it is forming. This is very very important. Questions they can ask. Questions they can ask. And now here you see what is there. Here what is remaining? This is not participated. No. S and P. This spherical shape, the dumbbell shape, both are giving a some planar shape over. This is not participated. Which orbital? Px, Py, the Pz. For example, it is a Pz. Any one p orbital remaining. Where it is remaining with the carbon. So I am writing that one with the, like this. Separately. Here one p orbital remaining. This here also one p orbital remaining. This p orbital one electron is there. This p orbital one electron is there. For this carbon one electron. Other carbon one electron. What these two are doing? These two are making a lateral overlapping. That is nothing but pi bond. That is nothing but pi bond. That is why then what is that thing? There is a double bond here. There is a double bond here. Double bond will come in a ethene molecule. This is what here. And now what is there here? See this. Here sigma. Sigma bond and pi bond both are covalent bonds only. Sigma bond and pi bond both are covalent bonds only. Sigma bond formed by direct overlapping, axial overlapping. It is a strong one. It is formed by SS and PP and SP. And pi bond is a lateral overlapping. It is a not a strong bond. It is a weak bond. It can be formed by what is that? PP overlapping. PP overlapping, and there is a weak bond. It is a weak bond. So like this, we can study as a covalent. This is what sp2 hybridization in a ethene molecule.